After we go from 2 to 3 in this diagram, now we're going through that high pressure valve. The high pressure valve and the flash gas bypass valve are the two most important valves. And that this high pressure valve, you're reducing it. So now we got a high pressure, high temperature fluid coming down into it when you're above the critical point. And now that valve reduces that pressure, which in turn reduces the temperature. Now you have a liquid and vapor coming out of that high pressure valve, which is what is needed, because we need in that flash tank, we need a good, stable pressure as well as good quality liquid in there, because inside the flash tank, which is 0.3 there, that's where it goes into, you need to have that very stable. Because when you're in transcritical mode, when you have a fluid on the upstream side of that high pressure valve, going into that flash tank, you're going to have more flash gas than liquid. When you're in subcritical condenser mode, you're below the critical point, you're going to have more liquid than vapor or flash gas. And this is why when you're in transcritical all the time, that's where it's less efficient. That's why there's a ton of high ambient strategy. But depending on where you are, the ambient is, or where your system is running, you could have more liquid or less liquid going into that flash tank receiver, because the liquid is denser, it's going to drop to the bottom, and that's where your liquid line comes out, or your vapors and flash gas is on the top.